The rise of the molars. In our sculpture, we represent three different timelines: the past, the present, and the future. So for in the present, we discuss about the women in the middle of the molar. It represents Saint Apollonia. She is the saint or the patron of the start of dentistry. Because during her experience, since she was a Christian, she was brutally punished or brutally tortured by the anti-Christians. But due to her strong faith, she endured all those hardships. Next is the present timeline. So the present timelines involves the details or the parts of the molar. So what is a molar? So a molar represents the foundation of knowledge of a dental student. It represents the key anatomy of the specific teeth or tooth. So the molar represents the journey of a dental student that we need to have the sufficient knowledge in order for us to have the right knowledge to perform different dental tasks. Third is attention to detail. The grooves and cusps represent the precision in knowing dental procedures. This also shows the meticulous nature of a dentist's job. Fourth is the patient care. This represents the different cavities around the molar because this shows the hardships that face and to know how to deal with different kind of patients. The last timeline represents the future. This represents us as future dentists in this generation. This helps to show that we need to have the right perseverance, the right commitment, dedication in order for us to achieve our future goals in life. So by having this sculpture, this represents the hardships, the dedication, and the sacrifices that were able to be put in order for us to achieve success. We learned that teamwork, perseverance, time management, and prioritizing our work are factors that are very essential in achieving our goal in making our sculpture. To conclude, we give credit to God because He gave us the insight, strength, and motivation to start and finish our sculpture.